I was at a speaker event not all that long ago, and there was a bunch of speakers there like me, and so I see this guy, he's talking, and he says he's a bicycle coach, a cycling coach, I guess. So he mentions that one of his customers is in the audience. Her name is Denise, and she's like a soccer mom. She's age 47, you know, looks like a regular person. And then, so I didn't really think that much about that. And then I'm out in the parking lot getting some out of my car, and Denise is out there, and I said, so you're a bicycle racer or something like that? She says, no, I set the world land speed record on a bicycle for women. And I said, wow. I said, how did you do that? Were you, you know, drafting behind some sort of a car or something? She said, yeah, I did it on the Bonneville Salt Flats, and I was going behind a Land Rover to break the wind, you know. And I said, well, how fast did you go? So I want you to think of how fast you think she went on a bicycle, okay? So she said, well, I went 147 miles an hour. I go, 147 miles an hour? She goes, yeah, and I'm going to set the overall land speed record, not just for women, but for everybody. And that's 167 miles an hour. Now, that the old guy that was talking, the speaker, he had set that. That's his record, John. I said, well, how do you go 147 miles an hour on a bicycle? She goes, you don't get off the bicycle until it's going 147 miles an hour. That's the secret at Fearless Agent. You don't get off the phone until you've scheduled 5. If you schedule 5 listing appointments a week, isn't it true that 2 of them might cancel? You'd go on 3 if you only got 1, and you took weekends off, and you did that in a 5-day week, and you took 8 weeks off a year. Wouldn't you do 40 listings in a year? That would be my goal for you. If any of this makes sense to you, here's what I want you to do. I want you to give me a call at 480-385-8810. That is my cell phone number. I'll probably answer. Everybody says, oh, I can't believe you answered. I'll answer probably, or I'll call you right back. And let's do a complimentary coaching call. Please go to fearlessagent.com. Watch all of our free videos there. That's going to be way better coaching for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. I guarantee you that. And then you can go to our podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Subscribe to that. You can subscribe to this right here, fearlessagent.tv, and get our videos. And if you're a real estate company owner and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, give me a call at my number, 480-385-8810. And either way, I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.